Alrighty guys, here we go. Gonna review these here and this adapter here. We just finished installing that on the Toyota 4Runner. We got our rock lights all in, nice and ran. The only thing, okay, about those rock lights, the wiring is short. As you can see, these are mounted, but they're not powered up because the wire is not long enough. So I don't want to have to cut them and extend them. I had the customer order an extension kit for it. So as soon as those get in, we're gonna go ahead and finish those off. But everything's mounted, we just gotta finish running it. All right, this GPS antenna, we ended up mounting it right here. The reason why we put it on the ladder is because if you run that on this rack, the customer does park his truck in the garage and it's going to be a little bit too big. It's going to be a risk of it breaking it. So we don't want a big antenna sticking out of there, so we put it on here. It's nice and solid. Everything should be really good. We ran our wiring all nice and clean, and you can still climb up here with no issues whatsoever. This is the inside antenna, perfect spot for it. We mounted our adapter inside here, zip tied everything. We used the Velcro kit that it came with to hold that puppy down. Ran all our wiring nice and clean to here. So there's going to be two options. I'm going to leave it like this for now until the customer brings it back for the to finish the rock lights. I'm going to let him think about it. I did it this way because it has a nice switch. You can turn it off and on. Right now it's on. As soon as you hit this button, it turns it off. If you need to use your cigarette lighter port, simply put it aside, etc., etc. So that's pretty nice right there. Okay, we put that in there. Nice, so you can put your cover and it's not going to be in the way of anything. The other thing we finished was the, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, guys, but I believe this is a ham radio. Ham radio? Or I don't know how you guys will pronounce it. So pretty much you just get your thingy here, hook it up, turns it on. Pretty nice and clean right there, huh? He did previously have it in here, but that wasn't working out very well. So that's it. We're done with this one until we get the rest of the parts. Then we can go from there. We've also installed this antenna a few weeks back. We had to run all our wiring through here. We hooked up the LED light bar to the switch here. And the antennas for that ham radio. Finished the rock lights almost, but we still got to work on it. We also did a V-cut on this one a while back. As you can see, it looks nice and smooth. Gives the truck a nice aggressive look. Nice 4Runner. Let's go, guys. You guys need anything, we're here. at Dee's Garage to help you guys out with any of your install needs, window tinting. It's a one-stop shop deal here. Over 15 years in the business. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Oh yeah.